Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set the keypad on a Ford F-150. Start by locating the keypad on the driver door and entering the factory code to wake the system. Press 12, then enter your new 5-digit personal code to program it. Test the new code by locking and unlocking the doors to confirm it works before relying on it as your primary entry method. Begin by locating the factory code in your owner manual or on the glove box card, or retrieve it from the vehicle computer if needed. Keep the code private and never post it online, because it grants access to your F-150. Once you have the factory code, enter it on the keypad to enable programming mode, then proceed to create your personal code following the on-screen or keypad prompts to finalize the setup. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly, fit in cup holders, and prevent spills during trips to the job site or grocery runs. They're great for storing snacks while you work on your F-150 keypad. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pick a memorable but secure 5-digit code that you can recall easily without writing it down in obvious places. After programming, test the code multiple times to ensure reliable entry and proper locking of the doors. If anyone else learns your code, or you notice anomalies with the keypad, reprogram a new code right away to maintain security and peace of mind for daily use of your Ford F-150 keypad system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.